Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and of course we are here doing another video, and today we are checking out Twitter Blue. So Twitter Blue is officially out and is available first only in Canada, which is a surprise to me because Canada usually never gets these new features from these tech companies, and of course our friends in Australia as well. So let's check out what's new in Twitter Blue. So first off, of course, when you open the app, one of the big things, of course, is that you can now do some big customization with Twitter Blue. So let's see right here, when you swipe left to right, you get to click on Twitter Blue. And then from there, you get to see some new features that you will be allowed to do when you subscribe on a monthly basis with Twitter Blue. So one of the big new features is, of course, is the undo tweet. So this allows you to, of course, undo your original tweet, your replies, threads, quote tweets, and it also allows you to change the time second as well. So I'm going to change to 10 seconds because I think that's enough time for me to see if I want to or not either undo a tweet or not. So let's check out what happens if I sent out a tweet right now. So let's say I am recording video, okay, and then tweet. And then when you click on view tweet, you get to see right there is the little circle right there that's sending 10 seconds and then undo. And it goes back to my edit of the tweet. Well, it goes back to the main place where I'm writing my tweet. And I could either just cancel it or just go to delete drafts or whatever. So yeah, that's one of the big new features with Twitter Blue, is that big feature of undo the tweet. Next we have is the color theme. So the color theme is really nice. Of course, if you were using third-party Twitter clients, this feature was already out with those apps. So it allows you to change the color of the theme. So as you can see, purple, yellow, or the classic blue, red. But because a lot of people know my favorite color is green, so we're staying with green, and everything changes when it's green. So you can see the tweet, the compose button, the links are green, the circle around the fleets also are green. So yeah, just everything is green, and it just looks really, really nice as well. And yeah, I just really like it. Another big feature is with Twitter Blue is the app icons. So app icons, of course, were brought to us thanks to Apple with the last year's update of iOS. So with app icons, you get, of course, right here, you get 8 icons. 8 icons that you could choose from. You can either choose the classic blue one, which we've all come to know, or you could choose a different icon to choose your setup style on your home screen. And I really like this one that has, like, you know, a street kind of cool design to it. So I went with that one. So we're gonna go back. And then, of course, another big features, of course, with Twitter Blue is, of course, not the undo tweet, but also the bookmark folder. So this allows you to bookmark any tweet into sections of your folder. So let's take a look. So let's say I want to bookmark, let's say, this right here, where it's an article about Twitter Blue by the Toronto Star. So we're going to just click here and then bookmark and then add to folder. We're going to go to, I created 2 new bookmarks for me. And so like that, I can read it later. And then we could go back here, click on bookmarks, and it will be right there waiting for me, so I could go and read it at a later time. So yeah, it's just really, really cool that you could do that now. You were able to bookmark, of course, before, but it wasn't really that organized and that well sought out on the Twitter app. So it's just really nice that finally Twitter is doing this as well. And of course, not least but not last, also is we have a new update to its thread system on Twitter. So with the thread system here is that you can show thread, and then of course, so this is the default view, the old version that you can see the threads here, right? When you make a thread or you're reading a thread from somebody else, you can read right here, but now you can have reading mode on. So with reading mode, it just makes it look really nice. It takes away the, how do you call it, the like button, the retweet button, all that. It just makes it nice and clean and easier to read as well. So yeah, it's just really nice. And then when you're done with it, you can either just click on exit reading mode and it goes back to the old style right there. So yeah, it's just really, really nice. So how much is the Twitter subscription cost per monthly now? It will cost Canadians $3.50. So yeah, it's a little bit expensive, you know. But you know, if you're a hardcore Twitter user, then this features might be for you for the main Twitter app. So yeah, like it's copying other companies like YouTube, which has released, you know, YouTube Premium, I think it's called, or something, or YouTube Red, where you don't see ads when you're watching YouTube videos, so that's always nice. So yeah, it's just really cool that Twitter is launching this. Of course, you still see ads here, so maybe in the future, maybe they might take out the ads in the premium feature as well. But for now, you're still seeing the ads on the Twitter app. So, you know, hopefully maybe in the future Twitter could do that as well. And of course, more themes will become more features will be coming in the future, hopefully, where you could maybe like also where you're able to tip users, do super tweets or something like that, where you could just pay to have your tweet like show up more higher up and everything. So yeah, it's just really cool. And it's, you know, I'm just excited because it was launched in Canada first. So yeah, and I was actually reading the article on the Toronto Star, and one of the main reasons that it was actually launched in Canada first is that Twitter has found that we are really hungry, power users. So on Twitter, so that was actually surprising to read that I guess the data was showing that we just love using the app a lot here, and that we are like, you know, we always want to try the new features on the app. So yeah, that's really exciting to read about Canada. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, it's pretty simple. Of course, you just go into your settings app. You can just swipe from there, and you'll see the Twitter Blue. It's slowly rolling out to all Canadians in the app, so don't worry if it's not out yet. Like I had to wait maybe an hour after I updated the app, and then it came on the feature right there where I was able to test it out and subscribe to it, so that I can see all the new features and make this video out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button because that does help a lot. Like the video, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.